All right, you guys, so I'm gonna give y'all the final rundown. I changed it from that side to this side because I'm finally mounting it up properly. So all of the wires are running through the glove compartment. To take this glove compartment off, you have to squeeze the sides. So you see right here, there's a little latch right there, and then there's a latch right here on this side. So you got to squeeze both sides really hard, and then you could bring this all the way down, and then you reach your hand right here, and then you can get to your wires. So you see my hand right there. So that's how you pass your wires underneath of your glove compartment right there. Now I did the same thing. I just hooked up the wire going right under my fender. I couldn't find no other place to go in through the engine bay under the glove compartment. Another thing you want is your pry bar, plastic one, and lift up all of your panels, because if you want to hide your wires, if you want to, if you have a hoopty or older car, you probably don't care if your wires are exposed or not. It's actually better because last time in the engine I was running from there to here, but now I'm running all on the left side. Whatever side your battery on, that's the side you want to run your wires. That way you're not crisscrossing your wires and you have more length. The wires actually go all the way back past the third row. Right now I got the ground wire connected to the ground wire is connected right there. All right, so this is royalty free. I don't know what music is this. I just typed in royalty free. I went all the way left. Now I'm gonna go right. You see? And I don't have the music on loud in the car. So left. You see it's not shaking now, right? Now it's shaking. Just look, you see the spider? That's pretty cool, you guys. That will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.